Hello everyone, in this video we will create an exercise on import and inheritance. It's one way to make interaction between contracts. So we will have contract A and contract B, and we will try to access the functions and variables of contract A from contract B. And to do that we will use import and inheritance. So the first thing is we need of course a variable here. And as you can see here, it is storing a city name, which is in my hometown, Slope, and also a function. Let's create. And this function, it changes the value for this variable, okay? It changes the value by using function parameters. And that's it, nothing else. This is our contract A. Now we will try to access the function and variables of contract A. And to do that, we first need to use import here. And dot slash, and here as you can see A and B, they are in the same folder. That's why I am using this symbol, a.sol. And it's not finished yet because we also need to use inheritance keyword, which is A. So that completes our code. It means that now from contract B I can access the functions and variables of contract A. Let's compile it, and also let's deploy it and go down. And as you can see, I have a variable here and a function here. Normally it should be empty, but I have these two things, and I didn't even deploy contract A. You know, contract A does not exist actually. I mean, I didn't even deploy it. Does not exist on the blockchain. I didn't even deploy it, but still, you know, I can access the functions and variables of contract A. And here now if I call the city, I will have this Slope as value, but of course I can change it to anything. I can say New York, for example, and call it. And now let's check. You see it became New York, but when it becomes New York, it means it doesn't become New York on contract A. On contract A it is still Slope. It's not New York. So this New York, where is it then? This New York, it exists on contract B. Even if you deploy contract A, or if you don't deploy contract A, that doesn't make change. That doesn't make a change here. Okay. Still, anything you do, I mean, any function of contract A that you call, it will use the storage of contract B if you use import inheritance. And that's it actually. And see you next time. Bye bye.